Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about all hair products, and I know that I did a full skin care review and talk about my skincare routine from morning to night. Today I'm going to go ahead and talk about what I do to take care of my hair. And yes, I know I change the color often, and now I am on to red. I was blonde before. I did a different, kind of the same routine because I am color treated hair. Um, but some knickknacks changed, like I no longer use purple shampoo or a toner. There's other things I use now, but most of the products I use still remain the same. If you guys want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, to start it off, I'm going to go ahead and talk about my shampoo and my conditioner because of course that's the important part of it all. To start it off, I use the Curled Zero Lather Conditioning Cleanser and their Daily Cream Conditioner as my shampoo and conditioner. Now I do have curly hair, but because I color treated my hair and went ahead and bleached it, I lost most of my curls. And I still use curl products because I basically use treatments for my hair to get my hair back to where it was. So no matter what, I still use products that are for curly hair because I am trying to gain that back, and once I do, I just want to be back in a routine. But I do have natural curly hair. These products I believe retail for $22 each, and this is kind of a no poo situation. And if you don't know what no poo means, it's basically no shampoo. The sulfates in the shampoo, which makes it more bubbly more bubbly, strips your hair of all its natural oils. And I kind of noticed a difference. I also have a dry scalp, so this helps a lot. Years ago I did start the no poo, and then I went back thinking I was missing something, and obviously I'm not, because I am back on the no poo situation. But I do like this one better than some poos, like the Wen. The reason being is because you still have both products. So usually when you do no poo, you use a cleansing conditioner, and here you're still able to use a zero lather conditioning cleanser. So it's still a conditioning cleanser with no lather, but you're still able to add on conditioner as your daily cream conditioner to, you know, give moisture to your hair. Usually if it's a hair treatment day for me, I usually start off with this and then I move on to my mask. Now I have several masks that I go ahead and use on a basis. Right now, because I am not on the curly situation, we are not going to talk too much about curling products. We're going to talk about how I keep my hair natural and what products I use and the mask that I use in it. To begin with, every month, once a month, I use one specific product, and that is the Effigy 2-step protein treatment. And this comes in a bundle. The other one is in my bathroom. It is their moisturizer. And basically, after you wash your hair with shampoo or whatever it is that you use to clean your hair, first step, you go ahead and dry your hair up, and you separate your hairs and you put this in it. This is a very liquidy product. After that, what I do is I put a cap on, and I connect the blow dryer to it to basically stimulate the product. And what it ends up doing is the heat ends up opening your hair follicles so the product can seep in better. And what this protein does, it basically binds your hair back together, especially if you have color treated hair. And basically it helps to stop breakage on even badly damaged hair when used as directed. So you use this once a month. You don't want to use it every week because it is a very potent product. Once I am done, I let this in my hair. My hair gets hard. I leave it for about 20 minutes. You don't want to brush your hair once you're done using this product because your hair is very hard, and what you're going to do is cause it to break even more. The next step I do is I put lukewarm water and I wash it out, and then I take the moisturizer that comes with it. I will go ahead and try to insert a picture of it, but it literally is in my bathroom and I'm too lazy right now. But you basically wash this off, and then you take the moisturizer and lather that into your hair, and basically it brings moisture back into the hair. Though that is a good product to get everything, that doesn't bring all the moisture back. So the next step that I do on my hair treatments for that day is I take my Garnier Flutie's Nourishing Treat 1 minute hair mask, and I put it in my hair, and of course I leave it for more than 1 minute, and this brings a lot more moisture in my hair. And I leave this for about 15 minutes. I put a little bit of heat on it, and then I let it sit for a while, and then I go on and wash it off. Once this is washed off, I go in with my daily cream conditioner, and I am done with my hair. Other masks that I use for basically like every other week, I alternate between them. It is my Brigiel Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, and basically it contains a unique blend of avocado, sweet almond, and argan oils and hair essential vitamins B5 and biotin to repair damaged hair, enhance shine, and reduce breakage. Basically, so you would use this again after shampooing. So most masks you should use after you shampoo before you condition. And I basically do the same thing I would do with the protein mask. I put it on my hair, all over my hair. I separate my hair into 4 pieces, and I make sure that it's in every single strand from the scalp to the ends. I put in a cap and then put the blow dryer right through, and there we go. I wash it off, and then I put in my conditioner. And the last mask that I use every other week as well, so I alternate between these two, is my Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore treatment mask with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar from Shea Moisture. There's not that much of this product, but this is a deep conditioning mask, restores strength and resilience to damaged, brittle, or chemically processed hair. My hair. Perfect for those who regularly color, straighten, perm, or heat style their hair, as well as kinky, curly, or wavy natural hair. Formulated with nutrient-rich Jamaican black castor oil and certified organic shea butter to replenish moisture and soften while straightening hair. So basically, I put this in, I leave it for 15 minutes, do the blow dryer situation, and then I cleanse it off, and into my conditioner I go. Alright, so when I am done, if I am just looking to just put my hair up and not deal with it or style it, I'll go ahead and I'll put in my Maine Magic 10-in-1 primer, and then I will put some oil in my hair and style my hair as usual. But if I'm looking to style my hair, I have 3 different styling products that I use, and I'm going to go ahead and go over that real quick. So they're all heating styling products. I've been doing that a lot lately. Not every day. I do it about once a week. Leave it alone for the rest of the week. And then if my hair is really dirty by the end of the week, then I just tie it up and then wash my hair by the end of the week. What I do is I always go in with my Even New York City Maine Magic 10-in-1 primer with argan oil and sunflower seed. And basically this product is a primer for your hair. I go ahead, I spray it in my hand because it's a little oily. You can spray it directly into the hair, but I spray it in my hand, rub, and then put it right in my hair. Then as soon as I am done, I go in with my Heat Protector Straightening Serum from Fantasia. This is a hair polisher. This is like the hood. And this product works like magic. It is an oil-based heat protectant. And if I decide I'm going to blow dry my hair, I go in with my Calista. And this is basically a blow dryer that you can attach your brush heads to. And this is how it looks. This is the blow dryer right here. These are the brushes here. This one comes with 4 brushes, and then the regular blow dryer head. I have a regular brush, paddle brush head. I have a root touch up, and then I have my 2 roller brushes. One is smaller, the other one is a little bigger. And basically I blow dry my hair, and as you guys can see here, you guys can see that I have all my clips there. That's what I use to divide my hair. And basically I keep it in this bag. I believe this cost me from QVC about $60. It really wasn't much, but it is an absolutely amazing product, and I love it. Another product, if I decide to curl, like yesterday, I blow dried my hair first with that, and then I went in with my curler. I went ahead and used the Garnier. I think this is the fashion curl. This is the smaller version than the bigger one. I don't have a lot of hair. I don't need nothing complex. I need something quick. And basically what it does, it takes the hair and curls it in there, and basically it beeps about 3 times, and then the final beep beeps about 3 times, and that means remove the curl and you have curls. This is one of my favorite products. This product, I believe I got it for $40 at QVC as well. It is a staple in my collection, especially when I'm being really lazy and I don't know what to do with my hair, but I want something more. Like yesterday, I will go ahead and use this to curl my hair. The last product I use is my T3 hair straightener, and this has become a staple. I don't like to do much heating in my hair, so if I do decide to go straightened, I use this. I feel like it doesn't burn my hair as much, and my hair lasts all week. I don't really have to keep going back and forth and touching it. This product I believe retails for about $150. It is very expensive, but I am one of those true believers. If you spend your money, you get good things out of it. finally, when I am done doing any of my hairstyling products, I will go in with my OGX Ever Straightening and Brazilian Keratin Therapy Anti-Breakage Serum. I love this serum. Like, it makes my hair look really shiny, and I use it as an oil, and it does wonders for my hair. I was told that for oils should be the last step of your routine because it basically secures everything that has been done to the hair. And this is how I've been able to get my hair back to the place that I want it to be. I am still fighting to get it back to really curly, so that means regular visits to the hair salon to get my hair cuts so my natural hair comes in, and less color processing. So now what I am doing at the hair salon is I am getting gloss treatments with binding on it from Redken, and that's basically a color that lasts in your hair for about 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks, I believe, and it puts a binding treatment to bind the hairs in it as well, so it makes the hair stronger, and it's not permanent. It's the color I got below it is permanent, but now I just get it on top gloss just to keep the hair vibrant, and my hair looks glossier, and it looks really, really healthy. I am happy I changed it. I don't think I will be going to blonde ever again because it has caused so much damage. I lost my curls because of it, and now I'm fighting to get it back. So if you guys like videos like this, give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed my routine. Let me know in the comments below if you use any of these products for your hair, and what you would recommend for me to do for my naturally curly hair. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.